Yeah, so what's up, y'all? Air Rock reporting live. You know, I'm doing my thing. I'm about to get on that show, dancing on the air. I'm about to go see what's up with that joint. You know, I get jiggy, 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 jiggy. Oh, you ain't lost it. I got it. I got it. I'm too smooth. You dig me? I do it for real, and I kick a freestyle just to let you know it's real. I do it for real, but I do it for real. All my niggas on the muscle, yeah, we do it for real. Yeah. Are you listening to me, girl? You think tranquility brings the heat, girl? The simplicity really the key, girl. You got me looking in your heart. I see your eyes. What you really shot, it'll be your demise. But you gotta tell the truth, cause if you don't, they know you love you though. They know you fraudin' though. You know them niggas on the corner, they be rockin', yo. My niggas Bavaria Street, 6200 blockin' me. Yeah, that's where I'm rockin' free. No, I always got bops of me. Yeah, and I rep Jet Life too. I'm affiliated with them, cause you know that's what we do.